What if you could completely transform a room? No masonry, no mess, no large crew needed in just a few hours. Let me show you exactly how. Today we're walking through a full installation of Hourwall Designer Panels. And trust me, once you see how straightforward this is, you're going to want to do every wall in your house. So first, what makes these panels different? They weigh just 1 pound per square foot. That's it. No special framing, no wall reinforcement, and no calling in a crew. These go straight onto standard drywall with screws and a drill, making them genuinely installer-friendly from start to finish. The first and most important step is planning the layout. This is the step most people skip. Don't. A few minutes here saves a lot of frustration later. We're mapping out where each panel lands so there's no visible repeat and no awkward cuts at the edges. Now here's where it gets satisfying. You position the panel, grab your drill, and drive in the screws. That's the whole process. No mortar, no scratch coat, no waiting for anything to dry or cure. Just clean, straightforward installation that actually looks professional when you're done. And look at that finish. The molded texture gives you real depth, not that flat printed-on look. Each panel is finished by hand, so you get natural variation and no repetition across the wall. The craftsmanship behind it is real, and it shows. If you want to see this up close before committing to a full project, order a sample at hourwall.com and get $50 toward your next order. The link is in the description.